Damdam ko na nire-reviews ko masyado. Tapos, yun ay pagdam ko sa judges. Parang hindi consistent. Tapos, dahil sa pagiging, sa nervous mo, nag-flat yung note mo. Minsan tapos parang kinukulang pa sa niya. Parang nabibitin yung tamang flow nung kung saan ka titigil or kung hanggang saan yung tataas yung boses mo. Yun lang.
Thank you, Leo. Let's hear from Rian again. Baka di na siya maulit. Ayaw ba ayaw?
Okay, so for Sandy, so the voice is pleasant to hear. It is sweet, but your shyness or your nervousness is also, how do you call this? It was magnified because it was an a cappella song because there was no accompaniment. So in order to really show the quality of your voice, you should have sound more louder, or in order to really highlight the sweetness of your voice and the tone. And also, one thing I noticed because of your nervousness or being maybe too shy, para kang tuod na yung hindi mo na yung bumubuka, tapos nakatayo ka lang. Yun lang yung ano ko. So maybe you should you'd also use the hand gestures in order for you to really exude confidence. Kasi minsan pag nakatayo ka lang na ganun, tapos yung bumabalik na ano, parang ano lang, wala. So something like that.
Okay. Thank you, Rian. Let's go to Cam.
Yung song kasi, it's one of my favorite songs.
Wow!
Kaya ko yan.
Let's hear.
It's one of my favorite song. Tapos, ang kulang is yung emotion. Sinihintay ko kasi yung moment mo, Sandy. Kasi di ba yung song, mellow siya, and then tataas siya bigla, nang talagang parang bigay na yung kumakanta. Hinihintay ko yung moment na yun na dumating, pero hindi siya dumating. No? Kasi nga masyado kang nahihiya. Nakikita ko, tinitignan mo ako, tinitignan mo yung judges. Pagkatapos biglang yung mata mo lilipad sa iba, nawawalan ka ng focus dun sa ginagawa mo, dun sa paglanta. So yun. Kahit wildcard to kasi, parang ang iniisip ko na maging thinking ninyo is kung ano talaga yung performance nyo dun sa performance night. Yun yung gagawin nyo ngayon dito. Kasi diba, last chance nyo na to para makasama.
Parang todo na to. So, thank you, Abby. So, thank you, Sandy.